knobs right there. So like you twist, no, right here, if you push it with your thumb to like the right, so push it to the right, push it to the left.
It's on you. Okay. So, me and Kurt have not been anywhere near as consistent with these videos as we should be.
Ryan traveled.
And that's really because Millennial Adulthood is about to go to another level.
I got another baby on the way. I'm tired.
So we've decided that instead of just putting out a bunch of lazy videos that aren't creative, we decided to go ahead and step up our production.
I am, what are you doing?
The best of the best when it comes to video content. So we are stepping up our video production. We're stepping up the Millennial Adulthood brand just as a whole. And when we return in a few weeks, y'all are going to see some videos and see some content from us that you've never even fathomed. So get ready. Be patient with us, because it's time to go to another level.